This is Dale Calvert. If you have not dipped your toe into the cryptocurrency pool, you cannot wait any longer. Actually, I'm working on a presentation for my personal team tonight. I'm going to be having a team Zoom. And as I was doing this, I realized that some of the things I'm going to be talking about, some of the people on my personal team have really not dipped their toe into the cryptocurrency pool yet. And in my opinion, honestly, you can't wait any longer. And this goes for anybody with any type of entrepreneurial spirit about them. I mean, I just really believe that it is the future. And I'm going to share with you in this video, this short presentation, how to safely dip your toe into the cryptocurrency pool. All the disclaimers in the world apply. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a crypto expert. Uh, every investment is risky. Cryptocurrency is risky, period. So I'm not giving you any advice. I'm just going to share with you what I would tell a very close friend or family member who has not gotten into this cryptocurrency world yet at this point. So that's the purpose of this video. Uh, I think learning how to maneuver in the digital currency space now, you have to do it right now, or you're going to be left behind in the future. You're going to be like this old cool dude with a flip phone. You know, some people still using flip phones, and you're going to be left behind. Technology is moving forward very quickly, and I just think it's important. If you don't know what MetaMask is, if you don't know who this little guy is, if you've never used MetaMask or have no idea what I'm talking about, I promise you this presentation is for you. One of the best business decisions I feel like I personally made was back in November of 2021. I came out of COVID and I was asking myself a lot of very important questions. One being, if I was starting today as an entrepreneur, where would I go? What would I do? Would I do real estate? Would I do uh, Shopify stores? Would I do Kindle publishing? What would I do? And the answer was obvious. I would learn everything I could learn about the cryptocurrency space. I knew enough about it at the time to be dangerous. I had bought some Ethereum and Bitcoin a few years earlier. It tripled in price, and that was about the extent of my crypto education. I was reading the headlines. I had never got in depth into this world. And I decided, well, if I was starting today, I would do crypto. And then I asked myself, Dale, why should that make a difference? Because I've already been down this entrepreneurial road. I've been down this journey. I started my first business when I was 14, which was a direct mail company out of my parents' home. I I've kind of at the end of this journey. I want to spend time with grandkids and there's other things I want to do. But I thought, okay, Dale, will you be an entrepreneur to the day you die? Will you be in the game? Because you love the game, yes. So if you're going to be in the game, why not be in the best game? Why not be in the game that has the most upside potential? And after a real serious talk with myself, I made the decision I'm going to have to learn as much as I can about this as I possibly can. And honestly, it was like trying to learn how to speak Chinese, beyond confusing. It took me a long time to wrap and focus, concentrated effort to start to understand this game. And I'm at a point right now of consciously incompetent. It's like the more you learn, the more you realize you need to learn. But that was the path I started. We ended up doing this beginner's guide to making profits investing in cryptocurrency. That's available at cmgcrypto.com. It's a free download that I know has helped a lot of people. But a lot of you probably think, well, Dale, what about all this, the media, all the fear, uncertainty, and doubt, the FUD in the media? It's like mainstream media is constantly throwing the cryptocurrency market under the bus. Why is that? And it's real simple. Most investors in the last 10 years, here's where they put their money: in real estate, stocks, cash investments, gold, metals, bonds. Very few even have grabbed the the vision of where crypto is going in this country. And if you look at the last 10 years, Bitcoin has crushed every financial vehicle and outperformed all the top companies in the world. The last 10 years, it's outperformed stocks, the S&P, precious metals, you name it. Bitcoin's outperformed it in the last 10 years. And the future is just kind of obvious if you just step back and look at it. But Bitcoin's outperformed Amazon, Apple, Visa, name the company, Walmart, doesn't matter. It's outperformed all of them the last 10 years, and this trend is going to continue, in my opinion. So why all the FUD? Because big banks know the writing is on the wall, the control they've had over the financial system for people, not just in the United States, but around the world. Those days are coming to an end. It's scaring the government. It's scaring big companies. The writing's on the wall, in my opinion. In my opinion. So I'm going to share with you two simple ways to dip your toe in the crypto pool today, starting today. And in my mind, everything that I've learned over the last couple years, if one of my relatives or one of my children came to me and say, look, I don't know anything about cryptocurrency, but I know I need to start getting educated on it and get exposed to it at some level. What should I do? These are the first two things today that I would recommend people do to dip their toe into the cryptocurrency, digital currency pool. Number one, set up a basic account. It's like a brokerage account for crypto. There's different uh, there's different brokerage firms, or there's different places where you can buy crypto. You cannot buy all crypto on all exchanges. You can't. It's kind of like, you buy Nasdaq stocks on the Nasdaq. You buy Fortune 500. You buy the New York Stock Exchanges where you buy the rest of them. You have some white papers where you can buy penny stocks and so on and so forth. There's different exchanges. The number one, excuse me, I'm getting ready to sneeze. The number one cryptocurrency exchange, the most popular, where most people start, is Coinbase. It's U.S. based, uh, so it's based in the United States, and that's where most people start. It's very easy to use to be able to buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, and multiple other cryptocurrencies. You can find a lot on Coinbase. You can find arguably the most liquid, the most credible, for lack of a better word, coins on Coinbase. It takes a lot to get on Coinbase. Not all cryptocurrencies, again, can get on every exchange. Coinbase is kind of like the New York Stock Exchange of the crypto market. Okay, it's real simple. You can have a Coinbase account set up in 10 minutes. And when you use the link that's in this article, you get $10 in free Bitcoin. $10 in free Bitcoin just for setting up your Coinbase account. There's the tutorial and everything is right here. https cmgcrypto.com/Coinbase. You can watch that, follow the steps. It's simple, 10 minutes from right now. You can go here and have your Coinbase account set up. You can actually use a credit card if you want to fund it. You can put $100, $200 in, or $50, whatever you want, just to get an account set up that will enable you to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other crypto that is on this exchange. Here's the thing that I've been fascinated, the number of people, they think, well, Dale, right now at the time of this recording, Bitcoin has gone from 20,000 to about 28,000 in the last, month or so. And people think, well, Dale, I don't have $28,000 to buy Bitcoin. You can buy a portion of the coin. You don't have to buy the entire Bitcoin. You can buy $50 worth of Bitcoin if you want. And that's how you get $10 worth of Bitcoin just for setting up this account. So that's the first thing I would do. The second thing is start a cryptocurrency IRA. Many experts are calling cryptocurrency Roth IRA from I Trust Capital the very best tax shelter in the world. In this article and video, uh, we'll go behind the curtain. Look at this, that should say tax shelter. You can play this video, it'll explain the whole concept to you. And then when you click on the link in this article, they'll actually, once you set up your account, deposit $100 in free Bitcoin into an IRA. So you're 100 plus $10 from Coinbase. You're $110 ahead of the game for because you watched this video. Um, it One thing that we like, we have both of our IRAs with I Trust Capital. Uh, you can buy gold, you can buy silver, you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy Ethereum, and several other cryptocurrencies through this IRA. And again, a Roth IRA is the best tax shelter in the world. If you're younger, especially, uh, Roth IRA is the way to go. Most experts would agree with that. And now that you can set up a Roth IRA through that's crypto, where you can have crypto in it, it makes it even more appealing. I mean, when you stop and think about it, Bitcoin's at 28,000 right now. The high for Bitcoin was close to 70,000. In the next bull run, will it hit 70,000 again? Many experts believe it'll hit at least 50. Some think it'll hit. Some think it'll make its all-time high. Will go over 70. And there's a lot of people that believe, as I do, that $1 million Bitcoin sometime in the future is inevitable. Uh, if you have that in an IRA where you're not paying taxes on it, on the capital gains, because it's in a Roth IRA, it makes a lot of sense in my opinion. Last thing I want to share with you, you can go to cmgcrypto.com. I have a lot of articles and information there. And I try to communicate it in ways that average people can understand, because it is, for me, it's like Chinese. It's just been like learning Chinese. So the first thing I would do, again, go right here, 10 minutes, you'll have your Coinbase account set up. And then I would set up a IRA, a Roth IRA through I Trust Capital. And that'll get your toe in the water and get you started down this journey. And then just educate yourself. Spend a little time every week getting educated, and you'll be fascinated how much you learn over the next few months, few years. And again, I just think now's the time. You can't put it off any longer. That's my thoughts. You guys have a great day. I appreciate you. Appreciate you watching this. I hope you got value. Any comments that you want to leave, please leave it below this video. I would appreciate that. And I will respond to any and all of them. Thank you guys. Have a great day.